Command Center, this is the President. The investigation is finished.
Send the FBI and the Secret Service to the house on Oak Street.
Arrest Ethan, Olivia, and Mia immediately.
They must answer for their crimes.
What is happening? Why are you here? We are good people.
Imp Watertannies and President Leo.
Leo? That little brat? Why does he have so much power?
How did he save a rare cat and find his true family? This is the story of Leo, his kind stepmother Victoria, and the power of justice.
He is a greedy boy. Tell him to go away. Tell him to go away.
Leo, keep your eyes on the floor. You are a servant here. You don't deserve pancakes. Go to the corner and eat your plain rice. Please, Olivia. I'm Olivia.
Leo is just a child. He worked all morning.
Let him have one pancake. Pancake? Shut up, Victoria! You are too soft. Me. If you give him food, you will go hungry too.
Listen to Olivia, Victoria.
Leo is a burden to this family.
He needs to learn his place.
Watch this. You are leaving this house today, and Victoria can't help you. Daddy! Mommy. Leo broke your favorite vase. He pushed me because he was angry about the pancakes.
Leo! What did you do?
That vase was priceless.
I didn't touch it, Dad. Samado. Mia pushed it with her own hand.
He is lying. He is a destructive brat. I saw Mia near the table. Leo was on the floor scrubbing.
Silence, Victoria!
You always protect him. Always protect him.
Leo, pack your bag.
One small bag.
You are leaving this house right now.
Don't come back until you learn how to behave.
You are no longer my son.
Dad, please. It is dark and raining. I have nowhere to go.
Leo was only 7 years old.
He was alone in the rain, but he knew Victoria loved him.
Do you think this is fair to Leo?
Don't worry, buddy. I found a small piece of bread. We have to be strong. One day, we will go back and find Victoria. She is the only one who was kind to us. Help!
Look up there! It is Barnaby. He is President Arthur's rare savanna cat. He escaped and now he is stuck.
The ladder is too short. If we try to climb, the cat will jump and fall. It is too dangerous. Dangerous.
I can do it. Go, bats. I act. I am small and light. I can climb the pipe and reach him easily.
Kid, that is 50 feet high. You will fall.
The cat is scared. I know what it feels like to be trapped and alone. I am not afraid. Hey, Barnaby. It is okay. I am a friend. We can all be friends.
Young man, you are incredibly brave. Barnaby is a member of my family. You saved him. What is your name?
My name is Leo, sir.
I'm your high. Where are your parents, Leo?
Why are your clothes so old and dirty?
My father and mother threw me out, sir. Only my stepmother Victoria was kind, but she couldn't save me. I live under the bridge now.
No child should ever be thrown out.
In this country, kindness is more important than perfection.
From today, you will live with me. Welcome.
Welcome to the White House.
Leo, the decisions we make here affect a lot of people. You have to consider every angle.
I understand, sir. It's more complicated than I thought.
Leo grew up with the best teachers. He studied law and history.
But he never forgot Victoria and the rainy night. He promised that when he had power, he would protect all children from people like Ethan and Olivia.
I my spad sitch repeat so voice stain stormy. Leo, I am old now.
This country needs a leader who understands the heart of the people.
You have lived in a palace, but you also lived under a bridge. I Trent Frokler. I want you to be the next president.
I will not let you down, sir. I will build a country where no one is invisible. And I will find the truth about my past.
Thank you.
Today, we begin a new chapter for our great nation.
Today, I am your president.